Hello everyone and welcome to Akan Addition. I'm Akosia Jimfua and I'm your tutor for this channel. In today's lesson, we are going to look at some simple greetings in Twi. So please relax and follow the lesson to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We all know in the morning we greet good morning, but in Twi it's a different thing altogether. In the morning we greet machi, or memao achi, but the response depends on the relationship between the two. Yenua means the person can be your sibling, being it older or younger. Yaena means the person is a female and can give birth to you. And Yaeja means the person is a male and can also give birth to you. You can also respond Ya or Do to someone that you cherish or really love. Okay, let's go to how to greet in the afternoon. In the afternoon, in Twi, we greet maha or memao aha. And the response is yenua, ya eja, and ya ena. In the same vein, you can also respond ya or Do to someone that you love or cherish. I think I have explained the response better, so there is no need to explain again. Now let's move on to how to greet in the evening. So in the evening, we greet majo or memao ajo, and the response remains the same as yenua, ya eja, and ya ena. So please, this brings us to the end of our lesson 5. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thanks a lot for watching. For now, it's goodbye and see you soon.